Yeah. Today's topic is time and distance, second class. In previous session, we talked about the all applications of time, speed, and distance, and lastly we talked about the relative speed. Now we'll see in this session what are the applications of the relative speed. Okay, so the applications of the relative speed will be on problems on trains and problems on boats and streams. So we'll see turn by turn. So first we'll try to calculate, we'll try to understand the concept regarding the trains. Okay, we'll try to understand the concept of trains. Okay, concept of what? Trains. Yeah. Now how to understand this? Finally he'll ask you, there is a train which is crossing a pole. Okay, there is a train which is crossing a pole in how much time? So finally at the end he is going to ask you the time. So point number one. Okay, point number one. So please write down to cross a pole, to cross a pole or a man or a tree, anything will be same. Okay, so to cross a pole, to cross a man, to cross a tree, how much time it will take? Basically there is a man, there is a pole. The train is crossing that particular pole. Okay, the train is going to cross that particular pole. Okay, so the point here is this: the train length is L. Okay, it's going to with S speed. With what? S speed. The train is traveling with S kilometer per hour. The train length is L. Okay, so the point is this, please understand, there is a pole. If the train want to cross this pole, now I can say the train, the train has crossed the pole, which means what? What do you mean by this? Yeah, so the train is crossing the pole, which means the train has to travel its own distance with its own speed. Okay, so if you want to time, what is the time basic formula? Distance by speed. What do you mean by distance? Length of the train. And what do you mean by speed? Speed of the train. So to cross a pole, the distance will take what? Length of the train, and the speed will take what? Speed of the train. So this is the first variety, to cross a pole. Okay, this is to cross a pole. And after this, we'll see. After this, we'll see. Now this is what? To cross a pole. Okay, I hope everybody understood. This is all about to cross a pole. Next, we'll try to understand to cross a platform, or to cross a tunnel, or to cross a bridge. Then how the things will come into the picture. To cross, guys, to cross a platform. To cross a platform. Now we are talking about all the time only we are talking about. To cross a platform. To cross a platform, or to cross a bridge. Okay, to cross a bridge. Platform is nothing but this is a platform with L1 length. There is a train, almost the train is equal to or less than or equal to what? It may be or may not be. This is a train. The train is having L2 length. How much time, he'll ask you a question, in how much time the train is going to cross this particular platform. Guys, in the previous question, according to the train length, the man length, the tree length will be negligible. But look at here, we need to take a consideration of what? Platform length. So I can say, now, this is the flat, this is what? Now this is crossed. Okay, now you can say the train is crossed the platform, which means, this is the total length, traveled by the particular train. Yes or no? This is the total length traveled by the particular train. What is the length? L1 plus L2. So the point is this. You want time. What is time basic formula? What is time basic formula? Distance by speed. Yes, time. What do you mean by distance? Distance is nothing but length of the train plus length of the platform divided by, yeah, speed. Which speed I have to take? Did platform have any speed? No. So you have to take only what? Speed of the train. Speed of the train. If the train is running with s speed, okay, now you can say the time is equals to L1 plus L2 divided by s. Okay, so s is nothing but what? Train speed. S is nothing but what? Train speed. T is nothing but what here? Time. Okay, T is nothing but what? Time. So it may be tunnel, it may be, platform, it may be a bridge. Okay, it may be a bridge, it may be anything. Okay, so but the bridge or platform will be our way, they are stationary. They are what? Stationary. Okay, they are what? Stationary. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, next. Please pause the video and try to grab this stuff. Okay, we'll go to the next one. We'll go to the next one. We'll go to the next one. Yeah. Now to cross, now to cross the other man, or to cross a running bus, how the things will going to come into the picture. Okay, now how the things will going to come and into the picture. So the point is this, friends, the point is this, to cross, what we are talking about, to cross, to cross a bus, or running man. Okay, running man, bus is also what? Running. Okay, so let's try to figure out this. Let's try to figure out this. This is a train. This is a train. There is a man. There is a man. Man is running this side with, S1 speed. Train is going with, this with S2 speed. Okay, S2 speed. Okay, the train having a length of L1. According to the train length, the man, the bus, the scooter, everything according to this length is going to be negligible. What I can say, to cross this a man, when they are moving each other, I want time. Time means what? Basically distance by speed. So time here is what? Distance. What do you mean by distance? Yes, that is nothing but length of the train. Okay, that is nothing but what? Length of the train and speed. This is where you need to understand. So according to the train length, you can take a man length. Man, you can run. Man can run. According to the train length, we have to take bus speed as a consideration. Okay. So you need to take out when they are moving in the opposite direction. Relative speed will come into the picture. When both are moving in the opposite direction, that will give you what? S1 plus S2. Okay. This is what, guys? When they are moving in opposite direction. If they are moving in the same direction, the time is equals to length of the train, okay, by what are the speeds, S2 minus S1, because the train speed is more than the whatever may be, according to these are the questions he may give. You can say that there is a Superman, so he may run with, so whichever is the greater, take that as a higher value, because the denominator should not be negative. So what I'm trying to tell you is this. In this particular case, the distance is only length of the train and speeds are what? S1 plus S2, because when they are opposite direction. Okay, when the time is what? Length of the train by S1 minus S2, because they are in the same direction. When both are moving in the same direction, speeds will get subtracted. Both are moving in the opposite direction, speeds will get what? Added. Okay, speeds will get added. Okay, so these are the fundas you have to remember. So this is all about, the third funda. What is the fourth funda? What is the fourth funda? To cross another train. Okay, to cross another train. To cross what? To cross, another train. Another train. Let's say, there is a train like this. Okay, there is a train like this. This is having with L1 speed, with S1 L1 length and S1 speed. There is another train which is having the length of L2 with S2 speed. If both are moving in the same direction, they'll ask you at what time both trains are going to be met. Okay, or they'll ask you at what time they'll cross each other, which means, whenever you want to time, the time is what? Distance by speed. Yes, according to this, if both trains are, they crossed each other, means, they have to travel their both lengths. No, that is nothing but L1 plus L2 divided by, what do you mean by speed? The speeds are what, guys? S1 plus S2. So the time is L1 plus L2 by S1 plus S2. So this is the this is when they are moving in the opposite direction. When they are moving in the same direction, what is going to happen? The lengths are same, L1 plus L2 by S1 minus S2, whichever is greater. So S1 is more than S2 if I assume the denominator is S1 minus S2. So these are the four fundas, is very, very important. What is the first funda? To cross a pole or a stationary point or, a tree. So that means your time will become what? Length of the train by, speed of the train. Next, point number 2. To cross, to cross another, to cross a platform or a tunnel or, a bridge. Then time, length of the train means what? Platform length and train length divided with what? Speed. Which speed? The train speed. Which speed, guys? The train speed. Which speed? The train speed. That's how, you can get that thing. Okay. Okay, so L1 plus L2 by S speed. Okay, next, after that, what's going to happen? Yeah, next thing is what? Next thing is what? To cross a running man or to bus. Then how the situation will occur? So whenever to cross, a running man or a running bus, according to the train length, the length of that particular bus or man scooter will be negligible. Then time is equals to length of the train by speed. If both are running in the same direction, speeds will be subtracted. Both are running in the opposite direction, speeds will be added. That's how you have to do your answer. Okay. Then after that, to cross, to cross another train. Okay, to cross or overtaking the other train. Okay. Okay, then it's going to be what? Then it's going to be what? Length of the train. Both are in the opposite direction. Length, distance will be L1 plus L2 by S1 plus S2. That's how you can end your answer. That's how you can end your, the concept. The concept. Like this, we have to solve all the questions. So please, we'll take up one by one. We'll try to answer it. Okay. Yeah. So let's get into the concept. Yeah. Let's say, so please take down question number 1. Question number 1. Find the length, find the time taken by a 200 meters long train running at 36 km per hour to cross a boy standing on a platform. To cross a boy standing on a platform. Standing on a platform. Very simple. What do you want? Time. What is time formula basically? Stick with your basics. Distance by speed. Yeah. This is which case? Case number one, to cross a man or to cross a pole. Yeah. So distance. What is the distance? You know, the distance is what? Length of the train. Okay, length of the train. What is the speed? Not the train speed. What is the length of the train? 200. What is the speed? Yeah, this is where you need to take a deep breath and you need to think. Yes, speed. What is the speed? 36 kilometer per hour. Yeah, you can write 36 directly here. No, either this is should be in kilometers, then you can write 36. But this is in where? Meters. So according to the options, you have to respond. So 36, you have to convert them into what? Meter per second. How you know? You have to divide with what? 5 by 18. 18 how many times? You know, 2 times. Then the speed is going to be what? 10 meter per second. The 10 meter per second. So if you substitute here, you will get what? The time is what, guys? 20 seconds. The time is what here? 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. That's how, you know, you can end your answer. You know, pretty simple concept. Pretty simple concept. You know, you should be very clear while solving this. Okay, you should be very clear while solving, you know, this particular stuff. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Okay, we'll go to next question. Please write down. Find the time taken by a train 100 meters long traveling at a speed of 63 km per hour to cross a platform of length 250 meters. 250 meters. This is which thing? The second rule we talked about. This is nothing but what, guys? To cross a platform. To cross a platform. So when to cross a platform, the time is what, guys? Length of the train plus length of the platform by what? Speed of the train. Okay, so according to these questions, what are the lengths? Yeah, the train length is what? Yeah, the train. Let's see the train length is what, guys? 100. What is the length of the platform? 250. Okay, 250. Then we come about speed. Yeah, but speed is in where? Yeah, the speed is in where? 63 kilometer per hour. Then how you are going to do? You know, 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Okay, 5 by 18. Then if you cancel with 18, will not go. 9 twos are 9 how many times? 9 sevens are. Okay, 9 sevens are 63. Okay, then 7 fives are 35 by 2. Okay, what? Meter per second. You can further, you can do it, but you will get in points. Okay, then speed of the train, you know, 35 by 2. So you can say this as 350 by 35, you know, 2 will go to the numerator. So 35 1 times and a 0, then time taken. Then time taken is what here? 20 seconds. Then time taken is what here? 20 seconds. You know, the question is very simple. The only point here is you have to convert speed into meter per second because the speed is in kilometer per hour. So you have to convert them into meter per second. Then the job is going to be very easy. Then the job is going to be what? Very easy. Okay. Okay. Next question. We'll try to solve our next question. Okay. So please write down. Please write down, guys. Yeah. Next question. Yeah. Find the length of a platform which a train 400 meters long traveling at 45 kilometer per hour can cross in 40 seconds. Cross in 40 seconds. Okay, cross in 40 seconds. Okay. Guys, what are the terms were given? Length of the train is given. Yes, length of the train is given. Length of the train is what? 400 meters. Length of the platform is given. No, that's what we need to figure it out. Let's say x. Okay, yeah, the speed of the train is given. Yes, what is the speed of the train? 45 kilometer per hour. But if you want to convert them into meter per seconds, it's 5 by 18. 9 twos are 9 fives are. So you can say 25 by 2. You can write it as what? 12.5 meter per second. Okay, the time is given. Yes, what is the time, guys? 40 seconds. You know this thing, right? When the situation is like this, the time is equals to length of the train plus length of the platform divided by what? Speed. Okay, time is what? 40, which is equals to length of the train is what? 400 plus what is the length of the platform? I don't know, x. What is the speed? 12.5. So 40 into 12.5, which is equals to 400 plus x. Okay, 400 plus x. Okay, 12 fours are 48. So 48 into 5, so if you calculate this, how much you are going to get here? How much you are going to get here? 4 fives are 20, 2 carry 4, 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus to 20, and you are going to get is what? 12.5 into 4. Okay, 12.5 into 4. How much you are going to get? 300. Yeah. So please, calculate that and tell me that value. 12.5, 12.5 into, 40. That will give you what, guys? 500. Okay, that will give you what? Because 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Which is equals to 400 plus x. From this you can say x is equals to what, guys? 100. X is equals to what? 100. X is equals to what, guys? 100. That's how you can end your answer. That's how you can end your answer. Okay, that's how you can end your answer. Okay, okay, I hope everybody clear. Length of the train is given, length of the platform we need to figure out what is the speed, that is 12.5, the time is 40 seconds. So if you calculate like this, you will get x is equals to what? 100. X is equals to what, guys? 100. That's how you can end your answer. You can end your answer. Okay. We'll go to the next question. We'll go to the next question. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Yeah, please. Yeah, please write down the next question. Please write down the next question. Find the time taken by a train 175 meters long running at a speed of 54 kilometer per hour to overtake a train to overtake other train 75 meters long running at 36 kilometer per hour. 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, 36 kilometer per hour. Guys, the concept is very simple. The concept is very simple. There are two trains. One is a faster train and the other one is a slower train. Guys, definitely faster train will overtake the slower train, no? Yes or no? So, but you need to understand the relative speed. Why relative speed? Both are moving in which direction? He didn't mention. But indeed it was given. Overtake. Overtake means what? They are moving in the which direction? Opposite direction. When they are moving in the opposite direction, so what are the terms given here? Yeah, length of the length of the train 1 175, length of the train 2 75, speed was given. What is the speed? 54 kilometer per hour. The second speed is what? 36. Now you can say relative speed. What is relative speed? Okay, what is relative speed, guys? Yeah, when both are moving in the same direction, when both are moving the same direction, you need to subtract. So 54 minus 36, you can say 18 kilometer per hour. And you need to understand one point: the length is in meters, so you have to convert your speed into meter per second. How? Then the relative speed you can write 18 into 5 by 18. So 18 goes cancel, you left with what? 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. Yes, you want time. Yeah, time formula is what? Yeah, length of the train 1 plus length of the train 2 divided by speed. Which speed, guys? Relative speed. What do you mean by relative speed? We have already calculated. So what are that? 175 plus 75, okay, divided by 5. Okay, so if you calculate this, 175 plus 75, 75 plus 75 is what? 150 plus 100, that will give you 250 by 5. 5 how many times 250? 5 times and a 0. So that will give you what? 50 seconds. The moment it starts, both the trains are starting in 50 seconds. In the first, not even 1 minute, the faster train is going to cross the slower train. Okay, the faster train is going to cross the slower train. Okay, is this clear, guys? Is this clear, guys? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I hope the question is clear to everyone. Okay, let's try to solve the next question. Let's try to solve the next question. Yeah, please write down. Please write down. Find the time taken by 150 meters long 150 meters long train running at 36 kilometer per hour 36 kilometer per hour to cross other train of length 200 meters running at 54 kilometer per hour in the first one, in the same direction. The second one, opposite direction. Same direction, opposite direction. Okay, so guys, for that you need to figure out what the relative speed first. The only criteria is what? Relative speed. Okay, relative speed, when they are moving in the opposite direction, we'll calculate relative speed, which means what? Sum of the speeds. So 36 plus 54, so 80 90, so 90 is the relative speed. Okay, so but 90 is what? kmph. So which means the relative speed here 90 into 5 by 18. So that will give you 18 ones, 18 fives, then it will become what? 25 meter per second. Same direction. What is the relative speed? Yeah, so 54 minus 36, that will give you what? 18. Yes or no? That will give you what? 18. So when the same direction, the relative speed will become what? 18 into 5 by 18. So that will give you what? 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. Okay, so we'll calculate the same direction. I want time. Time formula, distance by speed. What distance we have to take? Length of the train 1 plus length of the train 2 and Speed. Which speed, guys? Relative speed. Yes. So length of the train 1 and length of the train 2. Okay. So one is 150. The other one is what? 200 divided by speed. The speed is what here? Yeah, same direction 5. So that will give you, so 350 divided by 5, that will give you what? 70 seconds. That will give you what? 70 seconds. When they are moving in the opposite direction, time formula, distance by speed, time again, distance, what distance? Length of the train and length of the train to speed, what speed? Relative speed. Okay, the train, the time is equals to, you can say 350 as the distance divided by, what is your speed? 25. Okay, 25. Calculate this. Okay, 5 fives are 5 sevens are and 0, 5 ones are 5 14s are. Okay, then the time here is what, guys? 14 seconds. Then the time here is what? 14 seconds. If you look at here, we have cleared all the questions. Okay, we talked about all the questions regarding here. We have talked about all the questions based on train problems. Okay, based on what? Train problems. Okay, yeah. So this is how you can answer your questions in where? Train problems. Okay. So next write down. Next write down. Next write down, guys. Please pause the video and try to grab this stuff. Okay. Next question. Two trains have lengths of 300 meters and 200 meters when they run in the same direction. The faster train will take 100 seconds to cross the slower train when they run in the opposite direction. If they will take 20 seconds to cross each other. Okay, guys, in opposite direction it is taking 20 seconds. When they are cross slower train means, which is the same direction, it is taking what? 100 seconds. So what is asking? Find the speeds of the train. Find the speeds of the train. Okay, speeds of the train. No speed has given. No speed has given. Yeah. So let speeds of the trains be, I don't know the speeds. So let speeds of the train be x meter per second and y meter per second. Okay, y meter per second. Okay, where x is more than y, where x is greater than y. Okay, where x, you can say the x is nothing but faster train speed, y is nothing but slower train speed. Okay, so guys look at here. What is basically time formula? Distance by speed. So let's talk about which are in the same direction. Which are in the same direction. Yeah, distance. What is the distance, guys? 300 plus 200. Okay, because length of the train 1 plus length of the train 2. Speed, same direction, x minus y, which is equals to time. When both are in the same direction, how much time it is taking? 100. Assume this as equation 1. Okay, assume this as equation 1. Or you can solve this also, no? You can say x minus y is equals to 500 by 100, and you can say that is nothing but 5. So x minus y is equals to what? Yeah, x minus y is equals to what? Yeah, x minus y is equals to 5. You can say this is your equation 1. When they are moving in the opposite direction, time formula, distance by speed. What is the distance, guys? Add, so 300 plus 200. Opposite direction, you have to write x plus y, but how much time it is taking? 20 seconds, no? So you can say x plus y, which is equals to 500 divided by 20. So two zeros will get cancelled, so you will get what? 25. So you can say x plus y is equals to 25. You can say this is equation 2. This is what? Equation 2. So please try to solve x1 and xy. So x plus y is equals to 25. X minus y is equals to 5. So if you calculate this, you will get 2x is equals to 30. Then x is equals to what, guys? 15. Once you know x is equals to 15, substitute in 1 or 2, you will get y is equals to 10. You will get y is equals to 10. You can verify x plus y. 15 plus 10 only 25. 15 minus 10 only 5. That's how you can end your answer. That's how you can end your answer. Okay, that's how you can end your answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so these are the variety of questions which have in trains. Okay, let's move on to the boats and streams. Let's move on to the boats and streams. Okay, let's try to calculate questions based on boats and streams. Boats and streams. Okay, boats and streams. If you closely focus on this particular topic, what is the difference? What is the difference of boats and streams between trains? Guys, look at here. I cannot say relative speed. How here the relative speed will occur? So please understand the situation. Okay, let's say water is flowing in this direction. Water is flowing in this direction. Okay, water is flowing in this direction. So there is a boat also moving in this direction. Water is also moving in this direction, where the boat also moving in this direction. Okay, water is having x speed, boat is having x speed, water is having y speed. Now you can say the boat speed will become x plus y. Okay, because for this boat, the stream also speed will get added. With the stream will get added, with the current it will get added. The boat speed will get increased. That speed is called downstream speed. That speed is called what? Downstream speed. And let's say we'll see the other case around. We'll see the other case. Guys, look at here. Water is flowing in this direction. Water is flowing in this direction. But there is a boat, or there is a man. Okay, there is a man, coming in this direction. There is a man, that man is swimming in this direction. Okay, water is flowing in this direction, man is coming there. Definitely water will oppose this boat or man's speed. Yes or no? Then therefore finally the man or boat speed will get what? Reduced. Okay, so let's say this is x and this is y. Finally it's going to be x minus y only, because you are swimming when you are at the sea, a beach, water is coming the other direction, you are going in one direction, so definitely the water will oppose you. Yes or no? So that's how, guys, you need to understand only one point. In general case, both are moving in the same direction, speeds will get subtracted. When boats and stream, both are moving in the same direction, it will get added. Both are moving in the opposite direction, it will get subtracted. It's quietly opposite to relative speed. That's the only change. If you understand this particular change, no one will stop you to in this particular concept. Please understand, this is very, very important. Okay, this is very, very important. The job is very easy, same like time, speed and distance only. Some people say there's a different concept. No, this is the same concept, but the only thing is quietly opposite to their relative speed. When both are moving in the same direction, here speeds will get added. Both are moving in the opposite direction, speeds will get subtracted. That's it. That's the only thing. Okay, so I'll give the notes, please note it down neatly. Then after after writing all the points, we'll encounter our questions. Okay, yeah, please write down. Please write down. Okay, please write down. When a boat is moving in the same direction as the stream or water current, the boat is said to be moving with the stream or current. I'll repeat two times. When a boat is moving in the same direction as the stream or water current, the boat is said to be moving with the stream or current. That is point number one. Okay, that is point number one. Okay, with the stream or current. Next, when a boat is moving in a direction opposite to that of the stream or water current, it is said to be moving against the stream or current. Against the stream or current. Okay, I am repeating. When a boat is moving in a direction opposite to that of the stream or current, it is said to be moving against the stream or current. Next, if the boat is moving with certain speed in water, that is not moving, the speed of the boat is then called the speed of the boat in still water. Okay, next point. When the boat is moving upstream, the speed of the water opposes the speed of the boat. That's what I mentioned in our earlier point. Okay, when the boat is moving upstream, the speed of the water opposes the speed of the boat, which means reduces. When boat is moving downstream, the speed of the boat, the speed of the boat, the speed of the water adds the speed of the boat. Okay, adds the speed of the boat. Guys, always you need to remember downstream speed. There are two speeds, downstream speed and upstream speed. Downstream speed, downstream speed and upstream speed. Downstream speed are, you can say the same word as along the stream. Okay, you can say this as what? With the stream, along the stream. Okay, with the stream, everything is same. Okay, with the stream, then it's going to be boat speed plus stream speed. So boat, I can say the whole topic be stream speed and the water speed. Stream speed, the stream speed are always yes. Next, upstream speed or you can say it as against the stream. Okay, against the stream. Then you can say it as boat speed minus stream speed. You can say it as what, guys? Boat speed minus stream speed. Okay, boat speed minus stream speed. Someone will ask you, if you want the speed of the boat in still water, how we are going to calculate? If you want to be, guys, this is, I can say, in short words, I can say downstream speed is equals to boat speed plus stream. Upstream speed is equals to, you can write it as, b minus s. Let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Let's add two equations. If you add two equations, this will get cancelled. Then you will get 2b, which is equals to downstream speed plus upstream speed, which means the boat speed, which is equals to downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. Okay, downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. If you want the stream speed, please know you have do subtract it. When this will get minus, b will get cancelled, then you will get the stream speed is equals to downstream speed plus upstream speed, the divided by 2. Downstream speed, sorry, minus downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. So that is nothing but, this is boat speed, this is stream speed. Okay, boat speed and stream speed. Okay, sometimes, in problems, instead of a boat, it may be a swimmer, but the approach is exactly the same. He may ask you, instead of a boat, there is a man, Ramu is swimming along the stream, and he can say Ramu is swimming against the stream. Okay, instead of boat, boat or swimmers in a water, it would also a cyclist cycling against or along the wind. Yeah, so he'll give wind speed, and he'll give the cyclist speed. The approach pretty same. Okay, in some problems, it can be person going up or down and ascending or descending escalator. Okay, so the escalator also, which is the same, the approach of solving problem still remains the same. So the terminology will different. Otherwise, the job is pretty easy. Okay, the job is pretty easy. Okay, so we'll try to solve one by one. Please pause the video and try to grab this stuff. Okay, try to grab this stuff. Okay, yeah, please pause the video and try to solve this. Okay, yeah. So after this, write down a question, write down few questions on boats and streams. Please write down. A man swims 20 kilometers in 2 hours along the stream and 12 kilometers in 2 hours against the stream. Find the speed of the stream. Find the speed of the stream. Okay, find the speed of the stream. Please. The job is very simple. So he is asking speed of the stream, which means what? Downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Okay, for this, what you want to know? Downstream speed, which means along the stream. Okay, how to figure out a downstream speed? Yeah, basically, what is the speed formula? Distance by time. Yeah, he swims what? 20 kilometers along the stream. So he is swimming 20 kilometers distance in what? 2 hours. So you can say this as 10 kilometer per hour. What is that downstream speed? What is upstream speed? Same, distance by time. What is the distance upstream speed? 12. In how many hours? 2 hours. So that will give you what? 6 kilometer per hour. Yeah. Now come to your thing. You want stream speed. Downstream speed is how much, guys? 10. Minus upstream speed is what? 6. Divided by 2. So that will give you 4 by 2. That will give you 2 kilometer per hour. 2 kilometer per hour. So this is, this is the stream speed. Stream speed what? 2 kilometer per hour. If someone asks you what is the boat speed, then what you're going to do? Then boat speed is equals to 10 plus 6 divided by 2. That will give you what? Yeah, so 16 by 2, that will give you 8 kilometer per hour. You can verify. Yeah, what do you mean by downstream actually? Boat speed plus stream speed. What is the boat speed? 8. What is the stream speed? 2. You got 10? Yes. What is the upstream speed? Yeah, boat speed minus stream speed. What is the boat speed? 8. What is the stream speed? 2. You are getting 6? Yes. Then your answer is perfectly correct. Okay. You know, don't scare that it's a different topic. No, it's pretty easy. Please follow the basics. Please follow the basics. The job is going to be very easy. The job is going to be very easy. Next question. Next question. Please pause the video and try to grab this stuff. Next question. Yeah, next question. A boat travels 30 kilometers upstream in 5 hours. Okay. And 100 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. 10 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream. Like previous question only, the same previous question. For the practice purpose, I am telling the same question. Okay. Yes. First, upstream. Okay, upstream speed. What is the distance, guys? 30. In how many hours? 5. So you can say that is going to be 6 kmph. Next, downstream speed. What is the distance, ma? 100. In how many hours? 10 hours. So you can say that's going to be 10 kilometer per hour. That's it. Because you want the boat speed and stream speed. What is boat speed? Yeah, downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. Downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. So that will give you 10 plus 6 divided by 2. That will give you what? Yeah, 10 plus divided by 2. That will give you, we are doing the same question. Yeah, different one. Yeah, but 16 by 2 only I am getting here. That will give you 8 kilometer per hour again. Here also 10 minus 6 by 2, that will give you 4 by 2. Again you are going to get what? 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, 2 kilometer per hour. The pretty easy concept. Please concentrate. The job is going to be very easy. The job is going to be very easy. Okay, next question. Next question. Write down. A man can row 10 kilometer per hour in still water. Okay, 10 kilometer per hour in still water. If the speed of the water is 2 kilometer per hour and it takes 5 hours for him to go to a new place and return from there. Okay, so totally he's taking what? 5 hours. A to B, B to A. Okay, then find the distance between his starting point and new point. Starting point and a new place. Pretty interesting question. Okay, pretty interesting question. We know these things. A man can row 10 kilometer per hour, which means, yeah, the man is nothing but what? Boat only, no? Yeah, which means what? Boat. So boat speed was given. What is the boat speed? 10 kilometer per hour. 10 kmph. What is the stream speed? Means which is water. Water is what? 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, 2 kilometer per hour. From this you can say what is downstream speed. Boat speed plus stream speed only, no? So you can say 10 plus 2, that will give you 12 kilometer per hour. What is upstream speed? What is upstream speed? What is upstream speed? Boat speed minus stream speed. That is what? 8 kilometer per hour. Okay, 8 kilometer per hour. Yeah, look at here. The time was given. What is the total time? 5 hours. What is the total time? 5 hours. But I don't know which part is taking how much time. I don't know. So let's take, let's try to calculate T1 plus T2, which is equals to 5 hours. Okay, guys, tell me what is a time basic formula? Distance by speed. Here the speed means what? Either it may be downstream speed, either it may be upstream speed. Yes or no? Speed taken for upstream. Okay, so T1 distance. What is the distance? I don't know. There is some AB is going. This is, let's say this is up downstream. This is what? Upstream. Okay, how much distance? I don't know. Let's take distance is D by, yeah, speed of what? Downstream. What is downstream speed? 12 plus D by upstream speed is what? 8, which is equals to what? 5. Okay, so calculate this. Okay, so 12 and 8, what is the LCM? 24 is the LCM? Yes. 12, how many times? 2 times. 2D. This is how many times? 3 times 3D, which is equals to 5. You can say 5D, which is equals to 5 into 24. So you can say 5 get cancelled, then D is equals to what? 24 kilometers. You can verify here. 24 by 12 plus 24 by 8, only 5. No, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 3. So 2 plus 5 only, 2 plus 3 only 5. When you put 24 here only, then you will get what? 5. Then answer, the distance is what? Yeah, the distance is what here? 24 kilometer per hour. 24 kilometer per hour. Okay. Is there any other way to look at in this question? Yes. What is the other way around? What is the other way around? Guys, if you look at here, speeds are in the ratio 3 is to 2. Guys, generally speeds are in the ratio 3 is to 2, then time will be in the ratio 2 is to 3 only, no? Yes or no? Why I am using this? Because the distance is constant. I am going with the same distance. When the distance is constant, you can use this funda, no? Instead of writing this stuff. Look at here. So this is speed. Downstream speed, upstream speed. Then what is downstream time? 2 parts. What is upstream time? 3 parts. Okay, 3 plus 2, how much? 5 parts. Yeah, 5 parts is equals to 5 hours. Then 1 part is equals to 1 hour. Then here he is taking 2 hours. Then here he is taking 3 hours. What is basically distance formula? Speed into time. Yes. What is upstream speed, guys? 12 into, what is the time? 2. Yes, I got 24 directly here. No, you can check it out with the next one also. What is uh, upstream speed? 8. You can check it out here. Upstream speed is what? 8. What is the time is taking? 3 hours. 8 3 is about 24. That's it. Instead of doing this particular stuff, you can, after getting this, but when you are going to use this, when the distance is constant, then only you can use this. Okay, then only you can use this. And the time is 5 kilometer per hour. So you can split this 5 hours into 2 hours and 3 hours. So I want distance basic formula, speed into time. So you can get your answer. I hope this is clear. Okay. Chal, we'll do one more question on this particular stuff, that will help you a lot. Okay. Yeah. Please write down. Please write down. A can row 20 kilometer. Please pause the video and try to grab this stuff, then move on to the next question. Yeah. A can row 20 kilometer in 2 hours in still water. Okay, still water. If the speed of the stream is 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, if the speed of the stream is 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, he would take 3.75 hours to cover a round trip journey, which means A to B, B to A, the same question. Okay, round trip journey. Yeah. Find the distance. Find the distance. Find the distance that he would cover each way. Means he's asking the distance. Okay, he would cover each way. Okay, he would cover each way. Okay, yes. First, you need to figure it out the boat speed, which means the Anand speed. Okay, what is the boat speed? Yeah, in 20 kilometers he is doing in 2 hours. So which means the boat speed is what? 10 kilometer per hour. What is the stream speed, guys? Yeah, he only given 7 kilometer per hour. Because in still water, which means water is not moving, then only this is 10. That's why he'll give every point. You should be very careful. Okay, yeah. From this you can say what is downstream speed? 16. What is upstream speed? 4. Okay, yeah. A to B, B to A. He is taking what? 3.75 hours. So 75 hours, which means 3/4 of an hour. Yes or no? So 3/4 of 60 minutes. So 4 how many times? 15. 15 3 is a 45. Exactly 3 hours 45 minutes. The time is what? 3 hours 45 minutes. You can say 3 by 4, or you can say 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay, because 75 minutes will not be there, no? Yeah, the same thing, the time. Basically, you can say T1 plus T2, which is equals to 3.45. So T1 plus T2. So X by the distance, let me assume X by 16 plus X by 4, which is equals to 3 hours 45 minutes. What is the LCM? 16 is the LCM. X 4 is the 16, 4x, which is equals to 3 hours 45 minutes. So you can say 5x, which is equals to 16 into 3 hours 45 minutes. So if you calculate this, you will get x as what? 12. You will get x as what, guys? 12. Okay, you will get x as what? 12. Okay, what is the other way to do this? Yeah, speeds are in the ratio 4:1. Speeds are in the ratio 4:1. Then time will be in the ratio 1:4. The time will be in the ratio what? 1:4. Yes or no? The time will be in the ratio 1:4. Okay, then split this 3 hours 45 minutes to 1:4. Then 5 parts is equals to 3 hours 45 minutes. Convert all them into minutes. Okay, so 3 hours 180. So plus 45. Total is what? 225 minutes. So 5 parts is equals to 225. Then 1 part is equals to 5 fours are 20. Yes or no? 5 fours are 20, 5 5s are 25. So 1 part. So here he is taking 45 minutes. The second he is taking 3 hours, because the total is 3 hours 45 minutes. No, I want a distance. A distance formula is what? Speed into time. Yeah. What is the first speed? 16 into time. What is the time? 45. 45 minutes, 45 by 60, no? Yes or no? So 15 threes are 15 fours are 4 ones are 4 fours are again 4 threes are what 12. It's a bit calculation thing, but the job is very easy. So in this particular thing, what you need to understand, convert this everything into minute. So you'll get 225 minutes. So 5 parts is equals to 225. Then 1 part is equals to 45. So that's why this fellow is taking 45 minutes. You should be smart. Look at the next one around. You can say this is 3 hours. You can write it directly. Yeah, you want a distance. What is the distance formula? Speed into time. Yeah. What is the time here? 3 hours. What is the speed here? 4. 4 3 is a 12 only. No. Anyway, you can get your answer. It's all about is how you practice more. You will come to hear that how you can crack your questions very easily. Okay, that is the only thing, friends. Okay, that is the only thing. If you practice a lot, you will come to know that we have to use ratio method or this particular method. When you are using the ratio method, the job is going to be pretty easy. Okay, the job is going to be pretty easy. Chalo, next question. Next question. Please, pause the video and try to write this particular stuff. We'll go to the next question. We'll go to the next question. Yeah. Write down. Write down. Balu can row 2 kilometers upstream in 20 minutes and can return in another 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Find his average speed for the entire journey. Find his average speed for the entire journey. Yeah. So, Balu can row 2 kilometers upstream in 20 minutes and can return in another 15 minutes. Find his average speed for the entire journey. Okay, just tell me what do you mean by average? Yeah, average speed. Yeah, I mean average speed. Total distance by total time. What is the total distance here? He's going 2 kilometers and he's coming back 2 kilometers. The total is 2 plus 2 4. And next, another 50, upstream in, guys, I want a time. What is the time? Time taken for downstream and time taken for upstream. What is the time taken for downstream? Yeah, what is the time formula? Yeah, what is the time formula, guys, actually? Yeah, how much time it is taking? Yeah, he is given, no, 20 minutes. Time taken for upstream, how much? 15 minutes. Guys, but this is in minutes. This is also in minutes. Convert them into hours. How we are going to do this? So that's nothing but 20 by 60. Okay, next nothing but 15 by, wait a minute. So the other one is what? 15 by 45. So that will give you 1/3 and that will give you, this is also 1/3. Yeah, why 45 I have written? I'm sorry, I'm stupid. This is not 45, this is what 60. Okay, so this is what 1/4 of an hour. So that will give you, so 4 by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, that will give you 4 by, the LCM is 12. So 7 by 12. Yes or no? So 12 fours are so 48 by 7. This is what? This is a kilometer per hour. So this is your average speed. This is your what, guys? Average speed. Okay, average speed 48 by 7. You can do it, approximately 6.9 kilometer per hour, because 7 sevens are 49, no? 6.9 point something like that you're going to get. Okay, so this is the approximate value. If you want the exact, you can put it like that, 48 by 7, 48 by 7, like that. You can put it over there. Okay, you can put it over there. Okay, so this is how you can answer your questions based on this particular concept called boats and streams. So in the first session we seen all the concepts regarding in this particular thing called the basics of time and work, how to calculate the problems, and after that we talked about relative speed, the application of relative speed in the second video. So that will give you what a clear exposure towards how to do a train problems, how to do boats and stream problems. Okay, how to do a train problems and how to do boats and stream problems, that will help you a lot. Okay, so that will help you a lot to gather the things and put it in a right way, a right approach. Okay guys, this is all for uh, trains and boats and streams, guys. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks a lot for being in my session. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.